Presenting our best 10 pieces Apple Cinnamon Tealight Candles. Apple Cinnamon Scented Red Tealight Candles. Each long-lasting tea light burns up to 2.5 hours for a rich sensory experience. Add a touch of fall crispiness to any setting with our Apple Cinnamon Candle Tea Lights. Indulge your senses with a cool cinnamon blend that will surely reduce your stress and release an inviting and comforting aroma that will uplift anyone's mood. Each Tealight's candles contains essential oils and fragrances that work to fill the air with natural scents. Quality wicks are made from 100% high-grade lead-free cotton. Great for evoking seasonal moods or enhancing your everyday environment. Features a classic combination of sweet apple and warm cinnamon spice. Creates a comforting, homely aroma ideal for kitchens, dining areas, bedrooms, or bathrooms. Each tea light offers approximately 2.5 hours of consistent burn time, making it perfect for short uses or layering scents throughout your day. High-quality wick ensures a steady flame and even wax melt with minimal smoke. Made from high-quality paraffin or blended wax for a clean burn. Designed to delight the senses, these small yet powerful candles release the irresistible scent of freshly picked apples blended with spicy cinnamon. A perfect fragrance for fall, winter, or any time you want a cozy atmosphere. Minimal residue and reduced soot for a neater, healthier experience. Buy one pack of 10 pieces Apple Cinnamon Tealight Candles, only $2.99. Combines practical burn time with a strong scent throw for maximum enjoyment. The wax stays in the scented Tealight's candles, does not drip, splash, sputter, or spill. Excellent for creating ambience during holidays like Christmas or Thanksgiving. Ideal for anyone who loves sweet, spicy, and cozy aromas. Hence, let the comforting blend of apple and cinnamon fill your home with warmth and joy. Leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.